Can you imagine if it was something else? He would have right inside of him. Hi everyone, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 19. We are still shopping for snow gear because apparently we need snow chain for Jose's monster truck, not just any regular snow chain. So we're on a hunt for snow chains right now, in hopes that we can find it at maybe Walmart, Lowe's. If not, then AutoZone. AutoZone's is like 200 bucks for 2, and we need 4. And the day is horrendous, guys. It's freezing. It's cold. It's like moist in the air. Like, I don't know what it is. It's just freezing. Jenny's husband and her son asked me, they were like, hey, so that means that it gets, since you guys live near the Sequoia National Park, does it mean it gets really cold? And I'm like, no, not really. I mean, sometimes in the morning there is frost, like the grass is all frozen, there's frost on the windows, you have to wait a couple of minutes until the windows defrosted, but no, not really. They were like, yeah, that's cold. So yeah, I guess it does get cold. Anyway, see you guys at the store. Guys, we're at the Lowe's, and before, the Lowe's used to be my happy spot. When all the kids were in school and Jose was at work, and I have this human, I used to come and look at the flowers and plants and succulents, because that was my hobby before, because I'm a planter. I plant. I do not water. I only like planting and decorating, but then watering, that's a chore added to all my other chores, and I don't do it. And then Jose comes and throws away all my plants.
The ones that are dead. That's why no more plants for her. It's too much responsibility.
Just because
too much responsibility.
That's just because of that. I'm gonna get another one. Oh, little tubs for Joseph. He don't like showers.
What the heck?
Joseph.
Small
You
tub.
wanna take a bath? Take a bath. Shopping for our new home. Yeah, we need like three.
So small.
Yeah, we need like
small.
3 of these, because one butt cheek will fit here. I'm gonna have to fill it up to right here, because then once I go in there, it's gonna like overfill. What if I want you to come in the shower with me or in the tub with me? Huh?
Party for 2?
It's nice.
You're over here fantasizing on washers and dryers?
Not fantasizing. I'm picking ahead of time. We're gonna get brand new washers and dryers when we move out. But I want to show you. Do you guys want to see my dream stove? Let me see if they have it here. Okay. Welcome to my house. Kitchen. A white kitchen, but I don't want this.
What is that?
The stove.
No, what is this? Oh.
It's probably like a battery thingy for something. I don't. This is absolutely not. I'll show you.
All white kitchen.
Yep. I said, unfortunately, I don't think Lowe's carries my dream stove. It's all like, these are just regular stoves. Not regular, obviously, you know, like they have their frozen baked broiled, like, you know, but I don't want that. I want like the big industrial stoves where I can put my big pot of birria or my big pot of tamales, and I don't have to like block on the other ones. Does it make sense?
This one looks pretty big.
Yes, but if I were
like
to,
this one looks bigger than that one, so it's like for like.
if I were to, excuse me,
Look.
I'm scared. If I were to put my big pot here for the tamales, it won't fit because it's like huge. Like half of it would be hanging out. No. I'm already stressing and I don't even have this. I'm gonna show you guys how to make an agua fresca. Oh wait, I forgot where I live. Look, Joseph, knock at the door. Knock. No, knock again. Knock.
Damn!
Wow.
Magic, dude. He's like a wizard.
Have you showed them the new modern fridges? Come so they can tell us their opinion, because we got ours. This is like the whole modern way to have your new house. Fridges, no handles. It's just there. It looks like a cajonera. It's right here. Come. Modern fridge, no handles. Hello. Picture ice cube. cubes or ice bites. I think it's cool, but it's not for me. The
Yeah.
opening is not clean. What if I have like groceries and stuff like that?
Joseph, what do you have? Joseph is obsessed with wheels and tires. So he got himself some wheels and tires. But we gotta take them back, E. Here, take these back. We can't get them. Well, no luck at the Lowe's, so we gotta go to Walmart. And if Walmart don't have them, AutoZone's our last option. $200 for a pair. And we need 2 pairs for the back tires, front tires.
But maybe we might not need them, you know?
Nah, we're gonna.
But with this weather?
If it's snowing, we need them.
Guys, there's Chochi. She came here to tell us that she finally quit Defy. Well, after break. Guys, please tell her she needs to know her worth. She's being unappreciated at her job. She needs to quit her job. I did. Are you guys proud of me? No, because she put her 2 weeks notice. I would just leave them mid-parties, mid everything.
Imagine, they would kill me.
Why?
I would
You don't
die.
work there anymore. I'd be like, deuces. Out!
You're welcome for making your party experience the best you've ever had. You're so very welcome, even though I went home and cried after.
Something looks good. No, not you. I'm talking about those tamales.
Get out of here.
What kind of tamales are those?
These are the green chicken ones. We're making Papa burritos. Big, because we like everything big in this house.
I like everything big.
Oh my gosh, these tamales, I swear, are so fucking good. I have like
Wait, on the scale from 1 to 10, how good?
20.
Damn. You broke the record.
I swear, like, they're so freaking bomb. Masa is perfect. I'm also making a rice on my pressure cooker. My first time making fried rice, not fried rice, Mexican rice in here. So I want to see if it came out. Stupid phone, iPhone 13 camera fucking sucks.
What do you guys think? iPhone 13 camera sucks?
What is that stupid fucking filter that they have?
You know what? They have different settings. Like if you go to the camera settings, they have like standard, vivid, dynamic, some stuff like that. I think you gotta put it on. I think it's like natural or one of those. I don't remember.
It is mega hot.
Let's see the rice.
My first time making it on the pressure cooker, and I think I need less water.
Was that like a sample?
Yeah, it's like a testing thing. But this is what happens sometimes, you know, things do not come out the way that they should, but we're still gonna eat it.
Joseph broke his tab like I don't even know Wednesday, and he's still with this.
Jose broke it.
You, as a matter of fact, you broke this.
Jose
thing.
sat on it.
Yeah, you put it on my
Because he's
seat.
blind and he doesn't look at his seat before he sits down. Can you imagine if it was something else? He would have right inside of him. FYI, the floor looks mega disgusting because we haven't mopped. Actually, I did mop this morning, and then Josiah came from playing fucking football or soccer or whatever with his muddy ass feet and got the floor dirty. I am going to finish doing whatever it is that I'm making in the kitchen. I need Jose to get the hell out of here without having the freaking camera up in my nostrils. My nostrils.
Yeah, you tap. This one snapped, but look, you got a new one. But that one sucks because since it doesn't have this, you can't like put it how you want. It only has this little cheap ass thing for a big ass tablet. So I would recommend an Android case.
But anyways, here, Barbie, here's Blippy. Joseph loves blips, and blips loves Joseph.
Did I just put the mic in your mouth?
Yeah, like I said, I need Jose to get the hell out of here. He's putting the freaking camera all up in my nostrils. So we're gonna finish the vlog here. We didn't have any success finding the freaking chain, so tomorrow we're gonna have to go to AutoZone and buy them for $200 a pair. Anyways, this is what happens when you procrastinate and you don't look into stuff. Now you don't have time to order on Amazon or the Walmart or anything. Now you have to buy.
Buy. Expensive.
Yes, but tomorrow, what are we doing tomorrow? Tomorrow we have...
Just looking for the chains. No, we know where they're at, but we're gonna go to AutoZone and just pick them up, I guess.
So it's gonna be it, guys. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, follow me on everything, hit the notification bell, and that's it. Bye, get out of here.